We're Lance and Christy. Join us as we build our dream. Welcome to Knight's Helm Farms.
So we're going to do a new, different type of project. We're going to put a hole in a perfectly good wall because right here is our entryway from the front of the house, and on the other side of this wall is one of our master closets. And this morning our two female cats really got into it like crazy. We were talking about having some fun and doing this anyways. We're going to put a hole right here, trim it out and everything, and that way there's an escape hatch or an escape
it'll
clause.
be like a circle, and then we will run in a circle.
Yeah, it'd be like a circle. So if one comes in trying to get the other one can come running out this way, and all of a sudden they're at the front of the house and they can just keep chasing each other all the way around in circles. The other thing cool about it too is the dogs start bugging them too much and follow them into the closet. They can come on out this way and get away from the dogs, because we're not going to make it so big the dogs can get through.
Right.
It's going to be
It would be a gigantic hole.
Yeah, we'll just make the hole this big. Okay, maybe larger.
Yeah, larger, because these have to be able to fit through too.
Zeus doesn't fit through a doorway, let alone anything else. So we're going to give it a shot.
It might be bad.
Yeah, it might be bad.
It might be really cool.
We don't know yet. We already have the trim though, right here. You know, so that part will be good. And then we'll just use some wood to cover up the insides also when we make the hole. So here goes nothing.
So we're
have
gonna
to call
drill
a contractor after this. Don't know.
maybe to build a cat door.
Yeah.
So we're drilling a hole on the left-hand side so that we know where to go as far as the furniture is concerned, and then what we'll do is move the furniture. Exploration. Okay, now we can move this out of the way.
You know what that tells me?
What?
Nothing.
Nothing? Yeah. What do you see in there?
A hole. That's it. Okay, go check it out.
Go check it out.
This is going to be one of those creepy scenes where my eyeball's looking through there and I see another eyeball on the other side. Or I could trick her and use the flashlight. She looks through there and BAM! Light in the eyes. Okay, let's see.
It's there.
What?
The hole.
Is it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you see all the way through?
Yeah. I see two holes now.
I just measured Zeus, and he's 13 inches tall. I don't think I want to make the hole that big.
No, he can crawl through.
Make it like 9, maybe? You know?
9.
9 from the floor up.
9.
What do you
Floor
think?
up.
Oh, you could probably go 10 now that I see it down there. 10's probably good. Right?
Probably. Notice how she only said how tall he was, not how wide he was? That's the other problem. Hi, how are you?
So, how wide do you think?
20.
20. You're funny.
Well, we got Zeus. He's much wider than he is tall.
He is not. He's not wider than he is tall. You can see through the wall.
Yep.
Leave your kitty alone. Look at that! Sucker thing.
Sucker thing.
Sucker thing. Look at that.
Yep.
What
There
do
we
you
go.
think?
Well, that's just horrible.
What's horrible?
I don't know.
I think it's awesome. Now we just need a piece of wood on the sides and the top to close it off inside there.
Yep, so we have the hole. We've got Venus over here watching. We've got the dogs checking everything out. And now we're gonna go ahead and close off the inside of the wall. And once I get that done, then we will be trimming off these areas right here and putting basically our trim around there. We're actually gonna use some wallpaper to make it look a little bit nicer all the way through too. So we'll just keep working on it, see how it goes. There we go. That one's good.
That. It's fancy. Yeah, I like it. Looks good. So after you get done with that, then it's time for me to get some wallpaper.
That's right.
That's right. It looks good though. I like how it looks. So I'm going to use scrap wallpaper to cover up the inside of the, she's so funny, she keeps going through it. To cover up the inside. Aha! Go around the other way and do the same thing on the other side. Grand finale. Using the brad nailer.
Yeah. Okay, one side at a time.
One side at a time. Otherwise you don't have enough hands.
And go. No
And it's too small of a space for me to get in there and hold it for you.
Yeah.
It is so cute though. Stinking cute is what that is.
Okay, here we go.
It needs a welcome sign or a porch lamp or something. Let's go in around to the other side and see what it looks like. And there it is. Just like the other side. Yeah, it's so cute. I love it. And then my jeans hang here, so they'll be coming in underneath my jeans. So cute. You're funny.
Yes, it only took 7 hours to do.
Right?
Little
It was just
tiny
a
hole.
little project.
Little project.
A little project.
Yes. So, I like the looks of this side better, but still,
Yeah.
I like it.
Caulk and trim, and then
Yep.
we'll take one of those pieces of baseboard that we cut off to the store to see if we can get more for here, where that big cabinet was that we took out, and there wasn't any baseboard behind. So we just need a chunk of baseboard. Hopefully we can find one that matches. Anyway, yeah, I like it. Looks good, Boops.
Yep.
Thanks.
Uh-huh.